Hi, in this video I will explain you how to use Jupyter Notebook. So let's start. If you have installed Anaconda package in your system, you will be able to use Jupyter Notebook. You don't need to install Jupyter Notebook explicitly. If you want to open Jupyter Notebook, just type Jupyter Notebook in Windows search bar and click on the Jupyter Notebook. It will take some time to open. You can see the Jupyter Notebook is open in my default browser. Now select the directory where you want to create a Jupyter Notebook for your project. Here I select desktop and then I select my programming directory. Here you can see in this folder there are two Jupyter Notebooks available. Here you are able to see the running Jupyter Notebooks. Right now I don't have anything. Whether you create any cluster or something, that is what actually you will be able to see. Now come back to the files. We can create new Python files by clicking here. If you click on Python 3, it will open another tab and create a new file. This is how actually the IDE look like. This is called a cell here. In the cell we can write a program. Initially stage particularly cell was not given any number. If you run cell, the cell number will be assigned to the cell. Here I will show you by writing and run simple Python code to print message welcome to the world. To execute the cell, click on the cell. After that, click on the run button. Python code will execute in that selected cell and the output will be displayed below the cell. You can also execute the cell by pressing Shift plus Enter button. This save and checkpoint button. When we click on it, it will save your notebook and create a checkpoint. Checkpoints enable you to recover your saved work in the event of an unexpected issue. This is a plus button. For example, I want to create a new cell here. Click on it and I will be able to get one more cell. If I want to delete a particular cell, I select the cell, and once I select the cell and click on this button, it will delete that cell. Now this you can copy the cell. If you select the cell and click on it, it will copy your complete cell. After that, the next paste option button will paste your cell below the selected cell. With the help of these two buttons, you can move your cell up and down. This is a place where you can run the cell. This button is used to stop the executing cell. If you want to restart the kernel, you can use it. And if you want to restart the kernel and rerun the complete Jupyter notebook, you can use this button. If you go here, there are some different options. One is called code by default. It will declare the cell area as a Python code. If you write some sentence, you can use the markdown option. For example, if I write something here, If I select this cell as a markdown and run this cell, it will convert to the sentence or simple text. Now sometimes I want to make this one as a heading, then I select it as a heading. So this is different option what we have here. It is the file name. If you want to rename it, just click here and type name for your notebook. There are different menus available here: file, edit, view, insert, cell, kernel, and so on. I will explain it in the next video.